Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2018 Hyundai Elantra GT Sport Ultimate. Powering this hatchback is a turbocharged 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine paired to a 7-speed automatic transmission that can get you just 7 to 9 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking at the hatch of the vehicle, you have lots of cargo space, a factory subwoofer, as well as access to 12-volt power, with all of your cargo covered as well. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows, the Infinity premium sound system. On the dash is your blind spot monitor and lane keep assist. The steering wheel has your hands-free audio and adaptive cruise control. You also have these nice paddle shifters for your 7-speed automatic. This vehicle currently has 72,849 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready to go, dual zone automatic climate controls, your power ports and wireless phone charger, along with your gear select, heated and cooled front seats, drive mode select, and heated steering wheel. This vehicle also has black leather seats with red stitching. You have these cool red seat belts, and the driver's seat is power adjustable. For the back of the interior, you have a great view of the panoramic sun moonroof, cargo nets in the back of both front seats. You have rear AC, and these are 60/40 split folding rear seats with a flip down cup holder in the center. If you would like to see this 2018 Hyundai Elantra GT Sport Ultimate in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.